The House Speaker Martin Romualdez' name. He wasn't one of the congressmen allegedly directly involved, Paul, but he was linked to one of those in the list, Mr. Congressman Martin Rio. What was your reaction upon hearing this, Paul?
Alam mo, kaming lahat suffer from that, sasabihin, utos ni Presidente, utos ni Secretary, utos ni ganto. Tapos, hindi naman totoo. Kaya, we'll have to look. Kung totoo, di may problema. Na talagang inutos. Pero hindi, ang nakikita ko, we are all of us who are in high positions of high offices in government, all of us suffer that. Akala ko approve mo eh. Hindi, wala akong alam dyan. Sabi ni ganito, ikaw daw mga nagpa-approve nito. Sabi ko, sasabihin mo, hindi, wala akong alam dyan. Alam naman ninyo yan. Nina-name drop lahat. Magpapakuha ng picture. Tapos sasabihin, tignan mo, malapit kami. Sa isang araw, 1,000 yung nagpapapicture sa akin eh. So lahat yung 1,000 na yun, malapit sa akin. Di ba? So people have to be more careful. At wag silang masyadong gullible. But again, it's something that all of us who are in high office suffer. All of us. I think there's walang we find this kind of actuations all the time. Bakit nangyari yan? Utos daw ni ganito eh. Tatanong mo dun sa tao, sasabihin, wala akong alam dyan. Wala akong sinasabing ganyan. Yun, name dropping. So we'll see kung name dropping lang or if there's something more substantial to it. Kung name dropping lang, but it's name dropping is not a crime. But what is a crime is that you use the name of somebody else para magnakaw. And I think all of these other terms that we are always using to try, this is thievery, this is stealing, this is corruption. It's nothing else. Kaya I use the word nakaw. Ninanakaw talaga nila yung pera ng gobyerno. Kung totoo, di totoo. Kung sabi-sabi lang, haka-haka lang, we will also show that na haka-haka lang. But we cannot come to any conclusions yet now. Wala pa yung investigative independent commission. And like I said, by